Hey guys, welcome back. Today, this is Brandon. Today we're going to do another video of fidget spinner. Alright, so guys, this is my new fidget spinner, and I got this barely today. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful, guys. And we have another fidget spinner. Guys, and this one might look serious on the camera, guys, so if you want to look at this one more time, if I do it fast, wait. Alright, so I'm going to do it fast and you might see some difference. Last time it was doing it weird, because, alright, this one, no difference. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with them and other stuff, but I was just playing on my Xbox, guys. And yeah. So I'm just gonna do like some stuff of my fidget spinners, guys. So we're just gonna do some more stuff. So let's get straight into this right now. So we're gonna do this. So I got this is new and it looks so cool. It looks beautiful actually. Alright. So I'm gonna go turn off the lights and see what this does. Alright. Alright guys, so I think alright guys, you don't see anything, so I'm gonna turn off the light. Alright guys, so that was this interruption that I just wanted to try it out. Alright, so alright, so that was epic. Alright. So guys, I have my Xbox in my sister's room. I think it was on my last video I was doing, playing Call of Duty. Okay. This is really cool, guys, like literally. Like fast it goes. Alright. So since I just dropped out, alright. So this is weird. Like I just found this. Alright, like right now. Wait, does it stay in my hair? Hey, it's a hair thing. I need to stay in my hair. So shouts on my Xbox players. I'm gonna go shout them out right now, guys. So I'm gonna go shout them out. So people I basically have online, and some of them are offline. I'm gonna shout out to them. So let's shout out them now. Blue Zombie 911, Caldwell Max, and Cursing Anthem, Epic Star, Eric, Fire Guy, Future Set, Ghost Rider, Canyon 111, King Killer, and King Sean, Pokemon Pro, Stevens, Thomas, Ugliest Tiger, Xbox, Enchanted Apple, Anderson, Awesome Boy, Awesome Girl, Brandon and Can't Carry Me Drop, and Creeper Zone, Cute Girl Alley, Downy Cross, Dusty Oil, Edgy Runners 1, Extreme Flash, Flashy Bridge 3, Game Master 212, Game Slayer, Greasy Number, Gunman, and Humps and Hasby, Sam, and Herrick Stick. So guys, those are all of my friends, and they was playing with me this whole year, and I'm gonna give some, if they send me a message, I'm gonna give them some free Nintendo Switches. So I only have 3, and if they send a comment saying that they subscribed and liked and make a funny comment, I'm gonna give them Nintendo Switch. And yeah, so I'm gonna do like some more fish spins and done, guys. There's barely enough. Oh yeah, I have one more. I have Zombie Slayer. Right, so guys, I was just calming today, and yes, outside these are at a store, and I found it at $3. Like, I can't believe that. So yeah, guys, I hope you should subscribe, like to my video descriptions, and if I get 500 likes, I'll make a part 2 of this video. Peace out.